Hi guys, I'm doing a recording using the front-facing camera at 4K 60 handheld. I guess handheld wouldn't be so good if I try to hold it another way. Still not so, but the colors are pretty good, and let's see how it handles all the quick changes. Okay, and we shall see the rest of the videos in other settings and photos. Well, we're at Jewel now, right? So we're gonna go into the mall and have a look. Okay, the photos look amazing. I think the video also looks great. The HDR really works very well, and you get a very good exposure in both conditions, and the colors are very vibrant. So hope you like what you see, and do subscribe to my channel, and hope you go to channel more videos like this. Alright, to the next one.